Intro 0001 Satsu. In the world of supercars and hypercars, performance and luxury have always been paramount. However, as the automotive industry shifts towards sustainability, electric hypercars are becoming the future of high-performance driving. These machines combine unmatched speed, cutting-edge technology, and eco-consciousness to redefine what it means to drive a hypercar. In this video, we'll take a look at the rise of electric hypercars, how they are reshaping the industry, and what the future holds for these remarkable vehicles. From insane acceleration to sustainable driving, electric hypercars are setting a new standard for the ultimate driving experience. What defines an electric hypercar? An electric hypercar is a high-performance vehicle that relies entirely on electric motors for propulsion, offering extreme performance and zero emissions. These cars take advantage of advanced battery technology and electric drivetrains to deliver incredible speed and acceleration while maintaining the luxurious features that define a hypercar. Key features include performance. Electric hypercars can achieve mind-blowing acceleration with instant torque delivery from electric motors. Many can go from 0 to 60 mph in under 2 seconds. Sustainability. Unlike traditional hypercars that rely on fossil fuels, electric hypercars produce zero tailpipe emissions, making them more environmentally friendly while offering high-performance capabilities. Advanced battery technology. The key to electric hypercar performance is the use of cutting-edge lithium-ion or solid-state batteries that provide ample power for long-distance driving without compromising speed. Electric hypercars are a perfect blend of speed, luxury, and environmental consciousness, offering a glimpse into the future of automotive performance. Incident 2. Key players in the electric hypercar market. 2 Banner 3. Sabab. Several brands have already made waves in the electric hypercar market, producing vehicles that are not only incredibly fast, but also innovative in terms of technology and design. Some of the standout electric hypercars include Rimac C2. Rimac C2 is one of the most powerful electric hypercars ever built, boasting 1,088 horsepower from its 4 electric motors. It can reach 0 to 60 mph in just 1.85 seconds and has a top speed of 258 mm. The C2 combines high performance with cutting-edge technology, including autonomous driving features and advanced regenerative braking. Tesla Roadster 2022. Tesla's Roadster 2022 is an electric hypercar that pushes the limits of speed and performance. With a top speed of over 250 mph and the ability to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in under 1.9 seconds, it is expected to be one of the fastest electric vehicles on the planet. The Roadster combines Tesla's electric propulsion system with the company's advanced autopilot technology. Pininfarina Battista. The Pininfarina Battista is an Italian electric hypercar that delivers 1,100 horsepower. With a top speed of 217 mph and an acceleration time of 0 to 60 mph in less than 2 seconds, it is one of the most powerful electric cars in the world. Pininfarina has carefully crafted this car to combine extreme performance with luxury design. Lotus Evija. The Lotus Evija is a British electric hypercar that boasts a 1,172 horsepower output from its 4 electric motors. It is capable of reaching 0 to 60 mph in under 3 seconds and has a top speed of 200 mph. The Evija is known for its aggressive design, lightweight carbon fiber construction, and track-ready performance. These brands are at the forefront of electric hypercar development, proving that performance and sustainability can go hand in hand. Performance of electric hypercars. 3004. When it comes to performance, electric hypercars are breaking records and setting new benchmarks. Their instant torque delivery and lightweight construction make them capable of achieving performance levels that were once thought to be impossible for electric vehicles. Instant torque. Unlike traditional combustion engines, electric motors deliver power instantly. This allows electric hypercars to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in mere seconds. The Tesla Roadster and Rimac C2, for example, can achieve 0 to 60 mph in under 2 seconds. High-speed stability. Electric hypercars are not just fast in a straight line. Their design incorporates active aerodynamics, advanced suspension systems, and dynamic torque vectoring to ensure stability and handling at extreme speeds. For example, the Pininfarina Battista features active aerodynamics that adjust to optimize downforce as the car accelerates. Regenerative braking. Many electric hypercars are equipped with regenerative braking, which recovers energy when braking and uses it to recharge the battery. This not only improves the overall energy efficiency of the vehicle but also enhances performance on tracks. Electric hypercars offer insane acceleration, unstoppable speed, and high-speed stability, redefining what is possible for electric vehicles. Sustainability and environmental benefits. While the performance of electric hypercars is truly remarkable, one of the most important aspects of these vehicles is their contribution to a more sustainable automotive future. Zero emissions. Electric hypercars are powered by batteries and electric motors, meaning they produce zero tailpipe emissions. This makes them a cleaner alternative to traditional internal combustion engine hypercars that rely on fossil fuels and contribute to air pollution. Energy efficiency. Electric motors are inherently more energy efficient than gasoline engines. With greater efficiency in converting energy into motion, electric hypercars can achieve better miles per kWh and provide longer ranges, making them a more sustainable choice for high-performance enthusiasts. Recyclable materials. Many electric hypercar manufacturers are also focusing on the sustainability of the materials used in their construction. Lightweight carbon fiber, aluminum, and other materials are often chosen for their strength-to-weight ratio and recyclability. Electric hypercars are paving the way for a future where high performance and eco-conscious driving can coexist without compromise. The challenges of electric hypercars, 5-6. While electric hypercars are undoubtedly the future of high-performance vehicles, there are still challenges to overcome before they can dominate the market. Battery life and charging. One of the main concerns with electric hypercars is the battery. Despite advances in battery technology, the range of electric vehicles can be limited, especially when used at their maximum performance. Additionally, fast charging infrastructure is still developing, and high-performance charging stations are not yet as widespread as refueling stations for gasoline cars. Cost. Electric hypercars are incredibly expensive. The price tags for models like the Rimac C2 and Pininfarina Battista are well into the millions of dollars. Although costs will likely decrease over time as production scales up, these cars are currently reserved for the wealthiest buyers. Infrastructure. While electric vehicles have gained popularity in mainstream markets, the infrastructure for high-performance electric vehicles is still limited. For hypercar owners, access to specialized charging stations and repair services can be a significant issue. Electric hypercars face challenges like battery life, charging infrastructure, and cost, but these barriers are gradually being overcome with advancements in technology. The future of electric hypercars. The future of electric hypercars is incredibly exciting. With ongoing advancements in battery technology, charging infrastructure, and vehicle design, we can expect electric hypercars to only get faster, more efficient, and more widely available. Solid-state batteries. The development of solid-state batteries promises to increase energy density, reduce weight, and improve overall efficiency, leading to longer ranges and faster charging. Autonomous driving. As autonomous technology advances, we may see electric hypercars with self-driving capabilities, allowing drivers to enjoy performance while the car handles driving. Improved regenerative systems. Future hypercars will incorporate more advanced regenerative braking to increase energy recovery and efficiency. The future of electric hypercars will bring innovations in speed, sustainability, and intelligent features, setting new standards for automotive performance. Section 7. Conclusion. Electric hypercars are changing the game when it comes to high-performance driving with their incredible